This is TempleOS 5-Minute Random Code Walkthrough, episode 40, and I'm your host, Terry Davis. So let's see where God takes us today. Alt-B. And we are in the editor DALDoc main. Okay, so if you're not familiar with the you can say edit a file, quit. You can say edit a hold on a second. Okay, we have a big file. We can say edit file line, comma 20. This will edit file line 20. Open the editor to line 20. Control. If you look down here, we are on line 20. Okay. If we say file find, this will find a string. We'll look for main colon, how about the 20th occurrence of main? How about the 10th occurrence of main? 10th occurrence of main. Okay, let's see. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So we did the 10th occurrence of main. File find. Now there's a Bible find, and we can say Genesis, comma. Then it searches for this string 4:1. This is Cain and Abel. Oops. Bible find. What the heck happened? Okay, 4:1. Okay, dictionary find. Good. Good. Okay, help index. Bit. These are bit operations. This is all the functions that have, you don't know what a help index is. Okay, anyway, now finally, how about address? How about man page? If you say man ed, how about that? It brings us to the source code for edit. How about man put s? Brings us to the source code for put s. How about mn? How about edit put s? Brings us to the source code for put s. So to make a long story short, there's one more that's interesting. Address. This is this goes to a memory address source code. This is the code that's at that address. Okay. So this I just did a Control F1 on file line. This covers all the links. There's a file, which is just a file. There's a file, FI. Okay, I think that's just redundant. There's file anchor. I never use anchors. Ignore anchors. Find a string. Find a string occurrence number. Find a line number. Okay, plain text. This opens it with plain text. Dictionary, help index, address. and this crazy thing I added anyway. So where were we? Doc link check. Okay, this function checks to see if a link is valid. It tries to open it, and if the open crashes, then it's a bad link. So all my links are to local file. I don't have internet. I don't have networking. So all of them are local, and these are all local files. You can look in the Bible. Anyway, so it's very economical because it uses the same. It opens it with ED, the editor, in order to test it. It sets a. I went ahead and added a crazy. So the edit has some flags. You can tell it to bail out to test the link. It's kind of, oh well. Maybe it confuses people. Anyway, so link convert will, if you have a man page like PutS, this is in keyboard device. So if you want to convert a man page to a file and line number, link convert will convert a man page to a file line number. It turns out this routine is lazy. It does not check Bible entries because it would take too much time. So whenever I regenerate a distribution, I check all my links. That's an n squared kind of operation because it has to open the files, which is sometimes it has to search for a string. Anyway, so I got lazy and I made it so that it not lazy. I just made it fast. Anyway, so that it doesn't search for Bible links, doesn't test them, doesn't verify them.